Hello and welcome. Today I am here with the video of how to send proposal perfectly on people per hour. So let's get started. First of all, browse projects. Then select the job. I am searching for data entry job. Now click on job for which you want to apply. This will open a new window in front of you where you have to type proposal details. Now type the description here, mentioning your expertise and experience. You can attach the files to send with proposal here, or you can also import portfolio from your profile. Now, next step is setting the budget. You can break the project into parts by clicking here. Name title to project. I am just typing whole project here. Type the price here. Here given price is $100, so I am setting it to $90. Here you have to type the escrow amount, which is the amount which buyer have to pay after hiring you for job. I am typing escrow amount of $30. By checking this, you will get notification when buyer hires someone for this job. After filling all the requirements, click on send, and your proposal will be submitted. Now your proposal sent successfully. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if you have any queries.